We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You'll want to make sure you have the latest version of VS Code installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the sidebar. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for the ChatGPT for VS Code extension. Once you find it, click Install to add it to your setup. After installation, you'll see a new icon on the sidebar representing ChatGPT. Click on it to open the ChatGPT panel. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to set up an API key. To do this, you need an OpenAI account. Head over to the OpenAI website, log in, and navigate to the API section to generate a new API key. Copy this key, go back to VS Code, and paste it into the settings for the ChatGPT extension. You'll usually find the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the ChatGPT panel. Once your API key is set up, you can start using ChatGPT directly within VS Code. Simply type your queries or code-related questions into the input box in the ChatGPT panel and hit Enter. ChatGPT will process your request and provide responses, suggestions, or even help with generating code snippets. This can be a huge time saver when you're coding. Remember that ChatGPT can handle a wide range of questions, from coding syntax to logic explanations, making it a versatile tool in your development arsenal. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.